Hi everyone, Gagajoy. We're back still making things for the holidays, and we're making another Jello salad. I know you may not like Jello salads, but this one is to die for. I take 4 cups of water. I'm actually doubling this recipe. That's a given at our house. I have to make twice as much, but so 4 cups of water, 2 packages of orange jello. Now, the reason we love this, well, one of the reasons, certainly not the reason. On Thanksgiving, we use orange jello. For Christmas, we use green. For Easter, we use yellow, lemon. And it's always so pretty. Always easy, of course. And again, this one is my mother-in-law's recipe. It's 58 years old. She came from a big family, so she had a lot of recipes to share. She was wonderful. And while that's dissolving, I've got 2 packages of cream cheese and 2 marshmallows. Now remember, I'm doubling it, so just anything that's 2, or just cut it down to 1 if you want to. Stick this in there and just run it around, and it will just drop right out. Eventually it will drop right out. One down. Yeah, that come out better. Little bit in the bottom. Well, now the next step is microwave oven. It takes about 3 minutes, so I'm going to do microwave 30, stir it, 30, stir it like that. Actually, it didn't take 3 minutes at all. It took exactly 1 minute and 30 seconds. Let's whip it up a little bit. See how pretty the orange is? Yeah, it looks like they're all done. Now, the next is 2 cans of pineapple, drained. Two cups of walnuts. Those are pecans. Walnuts is just good. In fact, I don't see much difference in them when we make them. That's it. That's it. I promise you, it will be one of your best things for Thanksgiving or Christmas. Now remember, Christmas, you use green. Well, I always make a sticky mess with marshmallows, but soap and water does it, doesn't it? Well, there is my orange pineapple and jello salad. I guess that's a good name for it. I try to name them for my son's sake. You see, it's very pretty. It's very easy to make. I hope you make it. Take care of yourself. Remember the joy. See you soon.